As you might have seen, Claude Code introduced a bunch of updates last night, and one of the big ones everyone's talking about is how to teleport between the web and your machines. And it was a little bit confusing to me. I got really excited because I thought you were going to be able to take context from your laptop and bring it over to your desktop. And you can't do that directly. I'm going to show you a workaround and how to use teleport because it was a little bit confusing to me, and I figured some of you all might be confused too. So let me show you how this works, and then I'll show you the workaround. Okay, so I'm still playing with all these new features, but my understanding is it works like this. There's Claude Code Web, and you can send context from your conversations on Claude Code Web to different machines. And I've tested this out. I've spun up a session on Claude Code Web and sent it to a machine running a terminal, my laptop, and I've sent the same session to my desktop, and both of those work. What you cannot do, as far as I can tell, through the teleport mechanism is send information from your chat sessions with Claude Code from my terminal on my desktop to my terminal on my laptop or between machines. I'm still going to play around with this more, but as far as I can tell, you can't do that yet. But let me show you how this works and how you can set it up. So here I have a bunch of test sessions that I've been doing, and I opened a new one and I'm in a remote repository. So make sure you have these connected or it won't work. And I had Claude write a short poem about a purple elephant. And the test is if I can get this stuff from Claude Code on the web onto my terminal, then I know that I can transfer stuff between Claude Code Web and my terminal. So let me show you the terminal and we'll see if this works. So here I am in my terminal and I've opened up a new session. And to see if this works, I'm going to type in Claude -- teleport. And you can see I started that session about 3 minutes ago, test purple elephant feature, and I'm going to click return and see if it teleports things over to here. So it did. Okay, the test worked. There's my purple elephant poem, and the only way that could have worked is if teleport worked. I still can't get the / teleport command to work. I've not played around with that enough. And on Claude Code Web, this button is not activated for me. I don't know if that's a bug or if it's a problem in my configuration. But back to how I keep things in sync between two terminals or two of my laptops is I install the Conductor Framework directly in my file system, and then I tell Gemini it to ignore it, and I don't push it to GitHub. So it's just there for kind of like session memory and to help me organize everything. And it has all of the context about what I'm talking. I have a janitor agent in here that runs updates on this, so I can move this between sessions anywhere, and it knows everything about my projects. You can go get that in the Conductor Framework at testinprod.co. And hopefully, Gemini and Codex and Claude Code make this easier to move between terminals in the future. It'd be really nice. But anyway, that's how I'm using the teleport mechanism. I'm going to be playing with all of the new features that Claude Code just released over the night, and I will give you some updates on how I'm using them probably tomorrow or over the weekend. Thanks for watching.